Welcome to Miller Motorcars and welcome to the all-new Ferrari F8 Tributo. It's shown here in blue Abu Dhabi over a Nero interior, 20-inch diamond forged cut wheels. My name is Jimmy and I'm about to show you why this is the perfect supercar with zero compromises. Let's take a closer look. So as we move to the front of the vehicle, you'll notice it's been completely redesigned from the 48. Starting with the headlights here, we have a beautiful LED daytime running light, which gives it a great presence while it's on the road. So the S-duct is for aerodynamic efficiency, and what it's going to do is bring air up over the hood and to the rear spoiler, creating downforce. And lastly, we have the vent above the headlights, which routes air directly to the brakes for cooling. So as we move to the rear of the vehicle, I think the first thing that you're going to notice is the slotted rear engine cover, which is similar to the F40. We have the quad taillights again, which I absolutely love. Just gives it a much more beefier look in my opinion. And we have the blown spoiler. So this is actually going to create more downforce to the vehicle, creating more aerodynamic efficiency. So now we're inside the F8 Tributo. It's been completely redesigned. New door panels, new dashboard, new central bridge here, the all-new steering wheel, which is great. It's thinner, it's sportier. It's just a much better feel from a 48 or any other vehicle prior, because it just feels better in the hands. The circular dash vents, okay, this first came with the 812, which you can move in any direction. Digital display here, which is very nice. This is the passenger display, which is an option. So this is the screen for the performance. So your gear, the miles per hour, your G-forces here. You have your VDA, which is live, so if I were to switch the Manatino, it goes right back to it. You can control music, and then you can also do the navigation here if it was on. Yeah, so this is the new designed wheel. This is in the carbon fiber option. It's actually the carbon fiber drive zone, which gives the carbon paddles and around the tachometer. This is for the LED lights. So once you hit about 5,500 RPMs, the lights will start coming on the wheel here, showing you when you can shift. And your Manatino is here. This button here is for bumpy road. Okay, so it'll loosen up the suspension. You have your lights, your wipers, and your turn indicators, which are pretty awesome. Another option as well, most people would want this option, is a suspension lifter. Okay, so speed bumps or going into a steep driveway or pulling out of a parking lot or such, you can use this. It'll raise the vehicle up about 40 millimeters, so you don't have to scrape the bottom of your car. So if you can take a look inside the engine compartment here. So this has been an award-winning engine from Ferrari for quite some time now. It's a 3.9 liter bi-turbo V8. So this produces 710 horsepower and 568 foot-pounds of torque. It's extremely fast. The 0 to 60 is 2.9 seconds and a top speed of 211 miles per hour. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the inside look at the all-new Ferrari F8 Tributo. Any additional questions or information for this vehicle or any other vehicle that we offer here, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at Ferrari Web Sales at millermotorcars.com.